हमेशा भूल जाओगे. Just remember with the help of diagram. Inclination of any lineation with the vertical, that is your head. I will draw one diagram. Let's say this is your plane, okay, and this is your vertical line. So if you are having lineation like this, okay, so for that lineation draw one vertical line this like this and measure this angle. It is head, okay, with vertical. Now if you are having lineation like this on the plane, okay, draw the one horizontal and measure this angle with the horizontal. This is your rake or pitch, okay. Then heave and throw, you already know, okay, like this. This is your fall, okay. So join this line, okay. So this horizontal distance is your heave, horizontal heave, remember like this, HH, okay. And this distance is your throw, vertical throw, VT, ऐसा लगो VT station, vertical throw, okay. Google proper diagram. इन पांचों चीजों को एक जगह लिखो, try note it down all 5 things at on single page and then remember with the correlation, okay. तो भूलोगे नहीं, अदरवाइज एवरी टाइम रेक क्या था, अरे यार प्लंज है ना, ऐसा ही होगा. व्हाट इज प्लंज? दिस इज योर फोल्ड, दिस इज fold axis and this is your horizontal, this angle is your plunge. Between doubt between B and D, okay. We'll see. The diagram given below shows a Mohr circle for two-dimensional stress with a point numbered the mean stress and the maximum shear stress, okay. First observe the maximum shear stress. See, shear stress is given on y-axis represented by top. So if you are thinking for 3, so what is the shear stress for 3? This is
3.
Okay, 3. And for shear stress for 2, 1, 4 is 0 because they are lying on the x-axis. Okay, so maximum shear stress is for 3. Then mean stress. Okay, so obviously mean कहा जाएगा.
सर पण मीन शियर स्ट्रेस विचारलाय ना. मीन शियर
Yes.
स्ट्रेस विचारलाय ना.
Yes, mean shear
So it
stress.
will be 3 plus 1.
Okay, mean of 2, 3 and 4.
सर पण त्याचा मीन तर नॉर्मल स्ट्रेस निघेल ना त्याच्याने.
See, what is the shear stress for point 2? 0. Understood? 0 है. What is the value of y-axis? Value of y if your point is lying on x-axis? 0. If your point is lying on y-axis, means your value of x-axis is 0. इतना पता है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is the reason.
Yes, sir.
Na? Equation of line is written like this: x is equal to y, x is equal to 0. Means it is the line which is parallel to y-axis. And if you are having y is equal to 0, means it is the line which is parallel to the x-axis. Okay. So shear stress for point 2 is 0, shear stress for point 4 is 0, shear stress for point 3 is maximum. Let's say I am assuming this is 1. Okay, so 0 plus 0 plus 1. Okay, divide by 3 ले लो, चलो कैलकुलेशन में थोड़ा इजी जाए. डिवाइड बाय 3, तो मीन कहाँ आएगा? ठीक है, नहीं ये मीन नहीं चलेगा, सॉरी. Okay.
तो शियर 3+1
Here
डिवाइड
this
बाय 2 करावा लागेल, कारण त्यांनी मॅक्झिमम शियर स्ट्रेस विचारलाय.
yes.
Sir, those are just points. Those are not values of that particular point. Why we are calculating
No,
it?
no, they are number of points. That's point number. So in the diagram, the central position is representing the mean. Okay, mean is the average. Okay, so just approximate from the position. So that is the reason 1 3 option B. Okay, because you don't know the values. Okay, but you can calculate maximum and minimum only. That is the reason. If you draw horizontal line from 3, you will get maximum shear stress value for 3. Okay, top. Okay, it is like this. If see, if you are having a number line, okay, what is the mean point of this number line? Center, like this. That is the reason one is representing mean stress.
सर आणि इन केस ऑप्शन 3 आणि 2 असे असते पेअर मध्ये, तर मग काय केलं असतं?
देणार नहीं ना, MSQ नहीं है. हाँ, आ सकता है आगे, अभी MSQ ऐड किया.
तो लेकिन मीन स्ट्रेस एंड मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेस है ना, तो मैक्सिमम
in
स्ट्रेस
such
सेकंड
in such case they will change question little bit. Okay, again favorite. A foliation plane has a strike 25 degree and 60 degree steadily. A metal lineation on foliation plane has a rake pitch of 90 degree. The direction of the plunge direction of the mineral lineation in whole circle bearing is. Try to solve this. Yes, Purandar. Yes, Asha Purandar, correct. A foliation plane has a strike 25 degree. Okay. Now in the previous question, we are ignoring strike. Okay. Now in this case, you have to find the direction. Okay. In case of direction, you have to ignore dip. Okay, and consider strike. So consider 25 degree strike. Okay, in case of plunge, you have to ignore strike, but in case of direction, you have to ignore dip. So strike is 25 degree. Okay, let's say initially you have strike of 25 degree. Let's say your collision plane. So initially you have strike of 25 degree, and a mineral lineation on this foliation has a rake pitch of 90 degree. 90 degree rake pitch. Okay. Now what is the direction? The plunge direction. So 90 plus 25 is equal to 115. हुआ था क्या ये? नहीं ना?
नहीं सर.
No, sir.
Okay, so 115 degree. Whole circle bearing. Okay, whole circle bearing में हम नाम नहीं देंगे. Whole circle bearing हम from north only. In case of quadrant bearing, you will give direction like northeast. Okay, northeast, southwest, like this. Now see this. The rock follows Mohr Coulomb failure flat area. Which one of the Mohr Coulomb failure envelope shown below allows failure of the rock under stress state Y, but not under stress state X? Okay. Very easy question. इसका सर ही दुख रहा है सबका, ऐसा लग रहा है.
ऑप्शन ए सर.
Option A. See, envelope show allow failure of the rock under stress state Y.
Sorry.
Means rock Y is about to fail. Means your Coulomb should touch or go tangentially. Okay. So in PP dash, okay, Y is touching the PP dash line. Okay, and circle is far below the line PP dash. Okay, so if circle is below the Mohr line, Coulomb line, means it is stable. So X is stable and Y is at a point of failure. Means it should go tangentially. So PP dash is the correct option A. Correct. Next. Gentle fold with an interlimb angle equal to 160 degree appears tight. Okay. Apparent interlimb angle equals to 20 degree. The in horizontal section, according to the plunge of the fold axis, it can also be classified as. Easy भैया. A gentle fold with an interlimb angle equal to 160 degree appears tight. Horizontal section. According to the plunge of the fold axis, it can also be classified as. See, interlimb angle is 160. Okay, calculate the fold axis. Okay, fold axis will divide this angle halfway. Okay, if you are having 160 interlimb angle, 160 divided by 2 means 80 degree. Okay, this dipping limb is dipping 80 degree, and this limb is dipping 80 degree like this. Okay, so again your formula for plunge. Plunge is equal to 90 minus deep, 90 minus, sorry, 90 minus 80. Okay, 10-degree plunge. Okay, 10-degree plunge means called कैसे होगा? Gently plunging, only 10 degree. Okay, gently plunging. Okay, now this is the application of numerical to objective. न्यूमेरिकल से सिर्फ वो न्यूमेरिकल वाला ही पूछेंगे, not necessary. Okay, objective can be created like this. So 10-degree plunge means gently plunging fold. Option B. Done. The answer option B.
अँगल जास्त असेल तर स्टेपली फोल्डिंग आलं असं ना, स्टेपली प्लंजिंग.
जनरली एंगल बढ़ता जाएगा तो प्लंज घटेगा.
हां, और स्टेप अँगल.
Okay, now 11th standard physics first lesson, units and dimension. इसका क्वेश्चन है यूनिट ऑफ shear modulus. Okay, MLT calculate MLT dimensions. नहीं, MLT नहीं है. Rigidity modulus. Okay, what is the formula for rigidity modulus? Symbol first. Tell me the symbol. ये याद रखता नहीं पण म्हणते तो आहे.
सर के है का?
Mu. K is your bulk modulus. In S wave, okay, your S wave velocity is given by under root of mu upon rho. Okay. So if you square this, considering both the sides, remove the square root, what will get? S wave velocity cos square, okay, multiplied by rho equal to mu. Okay, you can use any formula of mu. Okay, this formula is easy to remember. That is the reason I'm using this. You can use the formulas from 1 dimension and 2-dimensional strain conditions. Okay, so velocity ka square, okay, means S is velocity. Velocity is, what is the unit of velocity?
meter per second.
Meter per second, and square of meter per second means meter square per second square. Okay, correct, multiplied by density. What is density? Unit of density. अब यहाँ पे मीटर है. Okay, तो ग्राम पर सीसी नहीं यूज करोगे, will use, okay,
Okay.
तो होने वाला है इसमें क्या है?
हाँ. Yes. Yes.
Correct. Option A. Then खत्म हो गया last. Okay. Again from stereographic projection. The stretching lineation on axial plane S2 of a reclined fold on the S1 foliation makes an angle of 30 degree with S1 oblique S2 intersection lineation. The rake of the stretching lineation on the axial plane in degrees. Rake plot करना सीखा ना?
Yes, sir.
फुल सर है जाए देख के बोलना. 10 घंटे दिए हैं तो देख चलते हैं. Okay, so this is your circle. Okay. Making 30-degree angle. Okay, I'm drawing the delineation. Okay, making 30-degree angle somewhere here. Okay, it's 30 degree. So what is rake or pitch? ये हो गया आपका. This is your rake or pitch. You have to align this circle north south according to right hand rule. Okay, then measure 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60 like this. Okay, measure नहीं कर सकते in case of objective to simply 90 minus 30. Okay, so you will get 60. So answer is 60.
सर रेक भी मीन्स एक प्रकार का डीप अमाउंट ही हो गया क्या?
मैंने बताया ना क्या है. Rake is the angle measured with the horizontal of any foliation on the limb.
लाइन एंड हॉरिजॉन्टल के बीच का एंगल
It's
रहता है.
angle between any lineation with the horizontal. See, देखो क्वेश्चन को समझना ही थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है बट आंसर बहुत इजी रहता है एक बार समझ जाओ.
क्वेश्चन समझते नहीं है.
सर क्वेश्चन ही समझते, बहुत कुछ डाल देते उसमें, कुछ भी घुमाने के लिए.
प्रैक्टिस. आपको पढ़ते वक्त सब चाहिए पर आप प्रैक्टिस के वक्त कुछ भी नहीं करते और वो दैट इज द सबसे बड़ा इशू कि हर चीज याद क्यों नहीं रहती. आफ्टर लर्निंग समथिंग यू हैव टू रीड same concept twice or thrice, then you can produce that concept. Okay, any doubt up to this? So today main aim of doing this activity is how to apply your logic, how to apply the structural concept to the given questions. Okay, so such type of question you may expect in your examination in both JAM and GATE. Okay, बाकी और आएंगे अब एग्जाम में. Okay, so now structural geology is finished here. आज कौन सा आ रहा है? Today Wednesday. Okay, tomorrow morning and evening you have test.
सर एक शिफ्ट झालं. सॅटर्डेचं थर्सडे कधी शिफ्ट झालं टेस्ट?
शाबास.
हुई पर कब हुआ? मतलब ये डिस्कशन कब?
जेव्हा तू जखमी होता तेव्हा.
एक टेस्ट भी हो गया है.
नहीं टेस्ट तो हो गया, बस मेरे को पूछना था कि कब हुआ, कैसे हुआ.
जब तुम लहूलुहान थे तब.
Okay, so prepare well for the test. Evening test, Friday morning discussion, Friday evening class रहेगा structural
आजचा वार काय आहे?
stratigraphy.
आज यूपीएससी
नहीं वो कैंसिल
और आज यूपीएससी का
हो गया.
से कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, हो चुका है वो.
तो ना पता है कि मानसी तुम सिर्फ डिपार्टमेंट आओ एक बार अभी.
टेस्ट के लिए
हिचा संबंधही नसतो सर आणि आठवण हीच करून देते सरांना.
मिट्टी का तेल नाव रख देंगे, इसका वैसे लिखा गेला है मिट्टी का तेल.
नहीं मैंने क्या बोली.
मैंने बोला था ना तुम ऐसी एक में वो हो जो
so
आज. हाँ
प्रिपेयर करो. विल स्टॉप हियर. हेलो सर आ गए तैयारी करके.
मला असं का वाटतंय की शिया पडणार आहे.
अरे टी शर्ट सर चाट मार.
सर टी शर्ट
नाही 9 वाजता आहे.
व्हेरी गुड मॉर्निंग प्रफुल्ल सर. तुमचा आवाज पण नाही येत आहे सर.
माईक बंद आहे ना सर. यस, थोड़ा थोड़ा.
ऑडिबल आहे सर, फक्त आवाज कमी येतोय.
धीरे धीरे क्यों बोल रहे हैं आज आप?
अब आ रहा है आवाज?
एकदम अच्छे से.
सबको लगा सर आपका उपवास है, धीरे धीरे बोल रहे
सब हमारी अपमान नहीं है. एक बार आपको आता है, एक बार मुझे आता है. क्या काही बोला बरं?
हाँ,
येतोय.
कुछ डाउट है?
ला.
आप भी पढ़ो, जल्दी जल्दी स्ट्रक्चरल खत्म करो, कल तक हो जाना चाहिए.
कल तक?
हाँ, तो कल टेस्ट है ना.
तो ये हफ्ते में तो if you say stereographic projection.
टेस्ट हम पूरे स्ट्रक्चरल पे रख देते हैं.
Yes, sir, I was about to say that.
सर डायरेक्ट मारायचं ना, असं कशाला डायरेक्ट मारायचं.
सिलेबस पर टेस्ट कंप्लीट स्ट्रक्चरल
जियोलॉजी अब तक जितना हुआ उतना सब कुछ.
Yeah, structural, and obviously structural means structural plus tectonics. Okay, structural is never all alone. Structure is a part of tectonics. So it will be tectonics plus structural plus whatsoever you can do it. Undoubtedly, I will be jumping over stereographic projections. I will show you a stereographic projection and then I will ask you what type of fold it is. I will show you a stereographic projection. I will tell you what was the original orientation of the plane. I am such a good human at heart.
And I have a question. I hope we are not adding that seminar questions in this. I am really praying for it.
Thanks for reminding me.
Exactly.
Arey, you don't even know what happened that day.
Pratik, but you already know the answer for every question belonging to
There
the
is
seminar.
see
Twisting and tightening.
whatever the question is asked, answer remains the same.
Twisting and tightening.
But see, there will be one question from the seminar part, but the twist will be, it will be actually technical scientific question. It will have some scientific spine. Okay, the answer won't be twisting and tightening, but I will add something that will relate to the lecture, but also to the structural geology. So also I had to talk to you guys. Obviously, I'm excluding those countables. Apart from those, there are many people whom I have never seen. Okay, for example, Sandeep, I have seen him only one day and he was sweating out. I have rarely or never seen Nikhil. I have sometimes seen Pooja, almost never Brijesh, almost never Amit Naidu. Rarely, I have never ever seen Makarand. I don't even know if he is actually listening to us or not, or he just keeps it like joins the room and then goes away. I don't know where Sampada is. She won't even reply easily. She's not there today itself. I don't know what